Today we will talk about Vaseline life-changing 20 cool uses. So we hope you watch this video carefully until the end to know everything properly. Vaseline jelly has its own place in our homes. For years, it has been used in our homes to take care of our skin. However, very few are aware that this jelly has benefits and uses that go much beyond skin care. Here's our selection of beauty hacks using Vaseline. Vaseline for lips, Vaseline for hair, Vaseline for eyes, Vaseline for face, for hands and feet, and much more. Non-traditional uses. Here are the unexpected 20 ways to use Vaseline. Vaseline for lips. Number 1. It's a great lip balm. Use petroleum jelly to help moisturize, soften, and smooth lips. Yup. Use it at night as a lip balm, and my lips are soft and smooth when I wake up. Number 2. Turn old lipsticks into fun, new glosses by mixing remnants with a dab of petroleum jelly. I have too many old glosses to warrant making my lipsticks into glosses, but I have used Vaseline to shear out some red lipsticks to give more of a lip stain effect. Number 3. Exfoliate your lips by applying Vaseline and lightly brushing with a toothbrush. Yup. When I forget to apply lip balm at night, I wake up to chapped lips. I take a soft child's toothbrush, apply a dab of petroleum jelly to it and scrub. My lips are easily exfoliated, and they are super moisturized to boot. Vaseline for hair. Number 4. Use a dab of petroleum jelly to slick back stray hairs in a ponytail for a smooth, polished look. Yes, I have put this in my hair. A teeny amount goes a long way. Number 5. Rub a bit of petroleum jelly into the ends of your hair to hide the appearance of split ends. Used sparingly, it can make my hair look better and healthier, but I have such fine hair I have to be careful about using too much. Vaseline for eyes. Number 6. Moisturize eyelids daily by coating them with a thin layer of petroleum jelly before bed. I have done this on the occasion that I run out of eye cream, or during the winter when I'm out sledding sans makeup and I want to protect the delicate skin around my eyes from dry cold air. Number 7. Tame unruly eyebrows by applying a thin layer of petroleum jelly and lightly comb into place. Yup. Works pretty well, not as great as a brow gel, but it will do in a pinch. Vaseline for face. Number 8. Put a spoonful of petroleum jelly into a bowl and lightly warm in the microwave for 10-second intervals to make a face cream that you can use every night before bed. And be sure to take care when handling hot materials. I tried this once. It didn't break me out, but I am far too oily to do this on an even semi-regular basis. Number 9. Use petroleum jelly on your cheekbones and above your brows for a fresh and dewy look. You can also mix it with a bit of lipstick and apply it to your cheeks for a natural flush. Vaseline for hands and feet. Number 10. Apply petroleum jelly on your feet before putting on socks and wear overnight to help achieve smooth feet and toes. Yes, I do this a lot. My feet are always dry, so this has been a great way to keep them looking pretty. Number 11. Apply a dab of petroleum jelly to fingernails to keep them resilient while also keeping cuticles soft. Do this a lot. When I forget to use something to moisturize my cuticles, they end up looking like a crime scene in a matter of days. Number 12. Put petroleum jelly around the base of your nail to stop nail polish from getting on your skin. I did this when I had a sprained finger on my left hand. Using the petroleum jelly made my application easy to clean up because you know how bad using your non-dominant hand to paint your nails can get. Number 13. Apply petroleum jelly to your hands, then put on a pair of gloves and allow moisture to soak into the skin overnight. Yup. Cotton gloves and a boatload of petroleum jelly. I got annoyed by the gloves in the middle of the night and ended up taking them off. And much more. Number 14. Rub a thin layer of petroleum jelly to pulse points before applying fragrance to encourage the fragrance to last longer. This I have done on many occasions. For some reason, fragrances fade on me very quickly. I also like expensive perfume and don't want to use it all up. This helps my perfume last longer, so I spray less. Number 15. Use petroleum jelly as a body moisturizer by applying it to dry patches on your body. Who hasn't put this petroleum jelly on your elbows, knees or heels at least once? It works too. Number 16. Apply petroleum jelly to moisturize freshly shaved legs. Making the mistake of applying lotion to my shaved legs was awful. I felt like my legs were on fire. Applying petroleum jelly to my legs after shaving didn't irritate them at all, and they had a silky look. Non-traditional uses. Number 17. Mix a pinch of petroleum jelly with powder drink mix or melted chocolate chips to create a flavored lip gloss. Melted chocolate chips? No thanks. Number 18. Apply petroleum jelly to your teeth to help you keep smiling. I remember this tip from ages and ages ago. I thought only beauty queens did this. Number 19. Smear a thin coat of petroleum jelly along your teeth before applying lipstick to prevent the color from sticking to them. Number 20. Rub petroleum jelly over old nail polish to make it look new again. I think this will work, but I doubt I would ever do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If yes, then please hit the like button below. Make sure you subscribe us, because we post health benefit related video every single day. If you have a request for a video, be sure to leave it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.